What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the incredible InkSonic XP600 DTF printer machine, an A3 apparel printer bundle that's about to revolutionize the way you think about commercial garment printing. This machine is packed with features that will make your printing experience faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at what makes this printer so special. One of the key features that really caught my attention is the high productivity of the InkSonic XP600. With bidirectional printing and XP600 printheads featuring a larger droplet diameter, this machine can print A3 size designs in around 3 minutes, or just 48 seconds for solid color graphics. That's up to twice as fast as traditional L1800/L805 models, making it perfect for scalable production and business growth. Imagine being able to produce high-quality prints at such a rapid pace. It's a game changer for any business looking to increase their output and meet demanding deadlines. The fact that it can work seamlessly with a DTF shaker is just the icing on the cake, allowing you to focus on growing your business without worrying about the technical side of things. Another aspect that I think is really important to highlight is the lower maintenance costs of the InkSonic XP600. The XP600 printhead has a larger 3.5 micron nozzle diameter and lower operating temperatures, which significantly reduces the risk of daily clogging compared to traditional printheads. This means you'll spend less time and money on maintenance and repairs, and more time on what really matters: growing your business and creating amazing prints. The holiday mode feature is also a great touch, automatically cleaning the printhead every 10 hours to maintain print quality even during long periods of downtime. This is a huge advantage for businesses that need to print consistently without interruption. Now, I know that for many of you, customer support is a top priority when it comes to investing in a new printer. That's why I'm excited to share that InkSonic provides dedicated one-on-one customer support, step-by-step installation videos, detailed user manuals, and even 6 months of free printhead replacement. You'll also get accessory warranties and lifetime remote technical assistance via email or live chat, giving you complete peace of mind and ensuring that you're never left in the dark. The fact that this bundle includes a pre-installed DTF laptop is just the cherry on top, allowing you to start printing right away without any hassle or setup required. The InkSonic XP600 also features a CSS white ink circulation system, which delivers dense, rich white ink coverage while preventing white ink settling and clogging. The built-in ink filters help prevent foreign particles from entering the system and causing printhead failure, ensuring that your prints come out perfect every time. And with the built-in heated platen, you can say goodbye to smudging and hello to sharp, vibrant images that will make your designs stand out. The integrated film cutter is another great feature, allowing for fast and precise cutting without damaging the design, while the specially designed blade structure reduces the risk of accidental scratches. In conclusion, the InkSonic XP600 DTF printer machine is an absolute powerhouse of a printer that's designed to make your life easier and your business more successful. With its high productivity, lower maintenance costs, and exceptional customer support, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this machine has the potential to revolutionize the way you work and create. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the InkSonic XP600 DTF printer machine today and start printing your way to success. Don't forget